Look at this beautiful forest.
Woo! We are finally here.
The air is so fresh.
I love nature.
Whew, we have so many bags. Let's unpack the car.
This bag is very heavy.
Be careful, honey. We need a clean spot.
I will move these sticks. How do we build this?
It is easy. Watch me. Connect the poles together.
Oops, it slipped.
It looks a little crooked.
I can fix it.
The peg must go down.
It looks great now. It is huge inside. This is my bed. It looks cozy.
Who is thirsty?
I need water, please. Let's go for a walk.
I am ready. I like this adventure. Look at this pretty flower. Do you see the squirrel?
He is very fast.
This hill is steep. Take a small break.
The view is amazing.
We can see far.
Do not run, Mike.
The water sounds nice.
The water is very clear.
I see a tiny fish. Dad, do not move.
Is it on me?
It flew away. Oh, bye.
That was funny.
The water is cold.
Oh, maybe too cold to swim.
This stone is flat.
Oh, what will you do?
Did you see that?
It skipped 2 times.
Mine did not skip.
Try again, honey.
I did it!
My legs are tired.
Me too, Mom.
It is getting late.
We should go back.
I am hungry. I want dinner.
Those berries are not safe.
I will not eat them.
That is a big hawk.
It is hunting.
That was a good hike.
Yes, but I need a chair.
I see our tent. We are home.
Let's make a fire.
I want to help.
We need dry wood. Stand back, please.
The fire is starting. Who wants... It is warm now. It is beautiful. Who wants hot dogs? Me! Me! Meh!
Don't burn it.
I like mine crispy.
I like mine crispy.
Oh no, my dinner! You cooked it too long.
Here is another one.
Thank you, Mom.
This tastes good.
You have mustard on your face. All clean now.
Thanks for helping.
The sun is going down. The sky is purple. My sleeping bag is fluffy.
Move over, Mike.
Boots stay by the door.
Keep the dirt out. Are you warm enough?
Yes, I am toasty.
Listen to the crickets. Nature's music.
Can we tell a story? No, go to sleep. Good night, everyone. Sweet dreams.
Great trip.
I love our family.